Gising ka na pala. Kain ka muna breakfast. Pinagtimpla kita ng kape.
Si Inigo?
May emergency meeting sa isang client eh. Tumawag si Sean. Tara, kain tayo.
Hindi na lang nagpaalam.
Inigo told me everything.
Oo nga. Sinabi niya sa akin kagabi.
He said he doesn't have feelings for you. And you don't have feelings for him either. Pero alam mo, hindi naman ako manhid eh. I know you like him. And I know there's also a chance na he might like you back.
Bakit mo naman sinasabi sa akin yan?
Because I want to be honest with you, Agnes. Mahal ko si Inigo. Alam mo, he's the one who kept me going nung may sakit ako. Pinilit kong gumaling at labanan ng kamatayan in hopes na pag nabuhay ako, pwede ko na siyang balikan. Masakit nung nalaman kong kasal na pala siya. But you know what? I was willing to let him go. Basta masaya siya. Yun ang mahalaga. Ganun ko siya kamahal, Agnes. Ngayon na nalaman ko na may laban pa pala ako. I won't back down that easily. Pero gusto kong malaman mo, I don't hate you. At kung darating man na ikaw ang piliin niya, tatanggapin ko yun. At sana ikaw rin kung sakali mang ako. I hope we're okay. Kain na tayo?